Getting started with PHP in Eclipse. For this video, we will use Eclipse IDE and Xampp server to run PHP programs. For those who don't know what Xampp is, it is a bundle that comes with PHP, Apache, MySQL for web development. If you are a developer who is used to Eclipse IDE and is just about to start with PHP, I recommend this video highly for them. If you have come to watch this video, I will assume that you are a Java developer truly in love with Eclipse IDE. So let's get started. First of all, open your Eclipse. So you can see here in the overview section, you will find that its current state is focused for Java developers. Even the Eclipse says, welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So once you install PDT plugin in your Eclipse, this thing will change. So for this we will need PDT, also known as PHP Development Tools. Search Google for Eclipse PDT. In your first search result itself, you can see download link clearly. Go to the download link and it will take you to the PDT plugin page. This is the Eclipse PHP Development Tools page. Copy the link below as shown in the video. So we copy it and go back to Eclipse where we install this plugin with the help of this link. Link selected, copied. Now we go back to the Eclipse. In your Eclipse, go to Help, install new software. We paste the link there. We add repository. Give name to your repo as you give to your folder name. PHP Development Tools repo. So this can be anything. I prefer PHP Development Tools repo. And add. You will see the available software. Select all. Next, so you will see number of resources that comes with the plugin. Next, finish. So wait while your plugin is downloaded completely. Restart the Eclipse. When you restart the Eclipse, you will see the overview page of the Eclipse different than before. Now it is not set for Java developers. When you see the overview page, you can see there develop PHP applications, and there is no more welcome to the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Our Eclipse is now set up for PHP development. So let's test the Eclipse now. We will create a PHP project, file, new project, then PHP project as shown in the video. Click next. Give the project name. Here you will see you can select the address where you want to store your project. Similarly, you can select the version of PHP that you want this project to work on. You can enable JavaScript as well. There are other features as well, which we shall not discuss right now. Just finish and create the project for now. Before we try to run a PHP program, we need to know that the program will not run. PHP program does not run directly. We need Apache and local server for our PHP project to run. So we need to install Xampp server before creating a PHP program. To install Xampp server, we search Xampp in Google and you will get the download link in the first result itself. Download the latest version of Xampp. For now, I will download the latest version with PHP 7.4.4. And there are other versions for Linux as well that you can explore in the website if you have Linux in your laptop. I will just save the setup file. Once my setup file is completely downloaded, I will open that setup file and try to install Xampp. As I said earlier, Xampp is a bundle that comes with Apache, PHP, MySQL, etc. for the web development. So while you try to install Xampp, you will receive some warnings. Ignore the warning, just go ahead with the installation. So you do not need to install PHP, MySQL, Apache separately in your computer. You can get all of them from single software, that is Xampp. When you try to install Xampp, you will see in the Xampp welcome message, Xampp is an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP and Perl. We do not need to build Perl for now. So just go ahead with the installation. Wait while your installation is completed. It will take some time. There you go. You have Xampp ready for running your PHP program. Once the installation is complete, open Xampp and you can see number of options there: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. To run your PHP program, you need your Apache running. So start the Apache and go back to your Eclipse. Create a PHP file hello.php in your PHP project folder. To create a PHP file, you can go to File, New, File and create hello.php. So we write our first program, as you can see in the video. Now let's try to run this. You can see the play button. You click there and we will select the third option, PHP web application. So let's try. What did you observe? Object not found. So first switch the workspace. So we'll switch this workspace to the Xampp folder inside htdocs as shown in the video. The workspace changed. I wanted to show you this error intentionally, as I know most of you will encounter this. The reason why this error occurred was the location that is trying to search is not recognized by our Xampp. The Xampp server is set to run programs from htdocs folder by default. The htdocs folder is inside the Xampp folder where your Xampp is installed. So first of all, we will need to switch our workspace to htdocs. Then we create our project in the location inside htdocs folder. So let's start the process again. Let's create a PHP project. Then create another file hello.php inside our project folder. So we write the basic program, PHP echo. We run this program. So this is the link. So when you run this link, it will run your PHP program. So you can see in the Eclipse the output of the PHP program. Thank you for watching. And you can copy the same link and run this in your browser. Since localhost is enabled by Xampp, you can run this PHP program outside of your Eclipse too, in any of the browser you have. Thank you for watching.